Hey everybody, I thought I'd do a walk over here with the dogs. It's a nice rainy evening time. If you can see over there, that's where me and my wife walk down a lot of times through that path. And she's definitely over her banks. This is definitely, if you've seen some pictures I've taken before, she's very high. There's a beach ball over there. You guys want to have a beach ball party? And if everyone could just stop by my wife's page and wish her a happy birthday. Today's her birthday. Tomorrow will be my birthday. I'm younger than she is. Don't let her fool you. I'm a Toys R Us kid. But yeah, I thought I'd stop over here. There's the dogs. Oh, Dixie's like, oh man, you got me all wet. As you can see, it's pretty flooded. I definitely see it getting higher before it's over with. Last spring it was, well, it was way over these trees. You couldn't even come up here on the bridge because it was too dangerous. The water was actually up here to that top of that brick there last year. I think it was last spring is when we had that big heavy rain, and that whole area over there was flooded. It's over there in the open area. Which one are you making this bridge bounce? Yep. So anyone, be careful out there if you're traveling tonight. Just be careful. Watch the water. If you got to drive across the road with water, just don't do it. You know, don't take the chance on it. I know you might think it's not that bad, but you know, it's better to be safe than sorry and go around and maybe take you 30 extra minutes. But just be safe out there. You know, don't try it. You see how fast this water's moving. It's moving pretty quick. So I would advise anyone not just to go and try passing through a car with the water. Too many times people die that way. So I just want all you to be safe out there. So, but everyone just have a blessed day. And today's Thursday. Tomorrow's already Friday. I might as well say it's Friday already. Work week's over for most of you. So, just be on the safe side. Just be careful out there if you got to drive. So, I thought I'd shoot this little video here. Like I said, if you could see, that right there is where me and my wife would walk down, and this would all be gravel. You could actually stand right out here. Right there's the path, and then you could walk out here. We'd actually stand. You've seen some of the videos I've done before, and if you haven't, just look at some of the videos I've done. I'd say we probably could stand maybe right about in here, not even in the water. It'd be all gravel. So the water's way up. Sometimes we can actually walk right across. There's like a gravel patch that lays right across here, and we could walk across it. So, and I think little Dexter's ready to go get in the house and get all cleaned up and get dry for Mama, because she's coming home soon. And so, anyways, this is your old evangelist here. Just be careful out there. May God bless all of you. Safe passages to your adventures today, or whatever you got to do today. I know some churches have church tonight, so just be careful. You got to drive. Like I said, this water is rising up faster. I thought the dogs were making the bridge bounce, but it ain't the dogs. It's this bridge is one of them spring kind of bridges where it kind of moves. So, like I said, just be careful. So, there's just a little view of everything. There's apartments over there. Mentioned apartments, we're still looking. Tomorrow we got to go. We got a lot of places to go tomorrow to look at places. Then Saturday we're going to the fishing expo. My wife wanted to go to it. I wanted to go to it. I said, let's just do that for our birthday. So we're going to go to the fishing expo and get some techniques, some new techniques this year. And we catch them big old bass or whatever we like to. We like bluegill too. I mean, it just doesn't matter. We just like to just dangle it. You know what I'm saying? So, kite lines, brothers and sisters. God bless each one of you. Be careful.